everyone. I'm going to very quickly run through the Homebase Map application and show you all the features currently provided. So if we go ahead and log in, we can connect with our wallet. I'm going to go ahead and do so. I'm going to go to my profile. So this application has a separate profile for every user. They're able to set a username, a profile picture, attach their social medias, a short bio, provide some of their skills, and share some of their projects that they have worked on. Okay, so then users can set that up, and it will be viewable by other users. So if we go back to the map, we can see here a lot of events going on around the world, specifically regarding base batches, but the idea is to expand this beyond for pretty much any other event, whether white labeled or not. So I'm going to go ahead and find my home base. I'm going to share my location with the application. I'm going to press continue. It's going to find me. So let's assume I'm at an event in New York. We can see here my pin is pretty close to an event. If I open that up, I'm at Base Batch Workshop, New York City, happening today. And we can see that I can check in or register on Luma. So this application aims to be powerful through the check-in feature. So when we go to check in, we've shared our location. So what it's going to do is put our location on the blockchain through an attestation using Ethereum attestation service. And then once it does that, it's going to check another NFT smart contract and run our coordinates against the event's coordinates. And it will do this all completely on chain. And if everything works out correctly and we're within a certain distance, we can see that we get an NFT. So let's go ahead and sign that. Now we're going to wait for that to complete. And as we can see here, it's going to complete, and it should tell us we have our home base. But we can also see these attendees down here, which is the other important feature of this application. It's a great way for users to network and interact and find out who is going to these events. So here it is. It's saying I'm home base. I am going to close and reopen it real quick so that it refreshes the attendee list. And we can see I'm here now in this list, along with Maxwell Grant and this other random attendee. So Maxwell Grant has created his profile. I can quickly see from this view, he's at the same event. He's an analyst, he's an investor, and he's a mentor. And he also has his Twitter and Farcaster handles attached to his profile. Alongside me, who has React, Next.js, Solidity experience, you can see I have my GitHub, Farcaster, and X. So whether it's me or him, depending on what we're looking for, right, in the spirit of this demo day, let's assume I'm here, I'm the developer, and I'm looking for an investor. So I'm at this event, and I can see that Maxwell Grant is an investor. So I can click on his profile, and I can go and I can read a bit more about him. I can see his skills in more detail, and I can see what other events he attended, alongside his projects if he had any. And then also his Twitter and Warpcast account. I can go to those and message him directly, see where he's at this event, link up with him, and see what connections can be made there. So that's Homebase Map. This is all 100% on-chain and using IPFS. There is no database. The future goals are to allow users to submit their own events or other organizations, or provide a white labeled service. And then also explore some revenue models regarding the application itself, in terms of profile creation. Maybe there's like a $1 or $2 fee when someone creates or updates their profile. Or it's a subscription service where you just pay $5 or $10 a month, and you get your profile selected. And then another revenue model that comes to mind is with event creation. Um, you know, if we open this up to everybody else, if they want to list their own event, maybe that costs $5 or $10. So yes, thank you very much. I hope this gave you a quick overview of the Homebase Map application. Have a good one.